Good morning, dear students. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Fine. So, dear student, this is a video of class 11, and in this video, we are going to just start a chapter, and that the name of that chapter is hydrocarbon. The compounds of hydrogen and carbon is known as hydrocarbon. Many various sources are there from which we are actually obtaining the hydrocarbons. And the first major topic of that one is alkane. You all know the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. And from this general formula, this is the general formula of alkane. If we will keep n is equal to 1, then this one will give you CH4 from this formula, and so on. N equal to 2, you will get C2H6, n equal to 3, C3H8. This you have done in class 10. Here you can see that the basic in this chapter in the class 11 we have to discuss, and that one is the preparation of alkanes. Okay, now so here you can see that preparation of alkanes we will do from the unsaturated hydrocarbon. What is the meaning of unsaturated hydrocarbon? Unsaturated hydrocarbon means one hydrocarbon which contains double bond or triple bond. So that means preparation of alkanes can be possible from the double bonds or triple bonds. So first of all, we will actually take the double bonds or triple bonds, and we will actually react it with the dihydrogen gas. Okay, now? And that dihydrogen gas actually adds to alkenes and alkynes in the presence of finely divided catalyst. Means catalyst is essential. In the absence of catalyst, it will not take place. The preparation of alkanes is not possible in the absence of catalyst. So it is therefore we can say that some catalyst is essential. Platinum, palladium or nickel, that is essential. If it is not there, then the reaction will not proceed and you will not get the alkanes. Okay, now whatever methane if you want to get, ethane if you want to get, that you will not get that one. So the hydrogen gas actually adds to the alkane. So you can see the dihydrogen gas means H2 is actually adding onto the unsaturated hydrocarbon. So unsaturated hydrocarbon you can take CH2 double bond CH2. This one is unsaturated dihydrogen gas, and that will react together. Then it will actually in the presence of finally divided nickel. So finally divided means what? That the small pieces, okay, now the powder form of that nickel is there. That means surface area would be large, and if the surface area would be large, then you can see here these metals, that finally divided metals, adsorb means sticking on to that surface. Adsorb dihydrogen gases on their surface and activate the hydrogen bond, and then after it will react with the substrate, that means CH2 double bond CH2, and then the bond will break. So it is essential that there should be some of the metals that it will adsorb, it will allow that dihydrogen gas to adsorb on that surface. Okay, now next you will see. Okay, wait please. So here we are going to talk about the preparation of alkanes, and in this one you know that we are actually going to prepare this from the unsaturated hydrocarbon. So unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, unsaturation means double bond and triple bond can be accepted, no problem with that one. So if you are saying that one, if double bond is there, CH2 double bond CH2, okay, and if we are going to talk about the hydrogenation means addition of, so hydrogenation means addition of dihydrogen onto the unsaturated hydrocarbon. So you can see here I have added H2 onto this one. What will happen It is a type of catalytic hydrogenation reaction. In the absence of catalyst, that unsaturated hydrocarbon, this is unsaturated hydrocarbon, and this will not react with hydrogen. So there must be the presence of some catalyst, and there are lots of options for the catalyst. You can take nickel also, or you can take platinum you can take, and you can take palladium also, Pd. Okay, so these three, out of these three, one you can take. But remember, if you are taking this Ni catalyst, nickel, this actually works at very high temperature. Okay now, but when you are taking this platinum or palladium, then it can work at a room temperature only. So on the whole, if I will write here CH2 double bond CH2, what will happen in this one? You know, the bond will break, and I can write this hydrogen like H2, I can write like this one. So what will happen? Bond will, pi electron will dissociate. This one is pi electron, double bond actually contains pi electron. So pi electrons will dissociate. What will happen? One electron is there. This electron for this carbon and this electron for this carbon, and the hydrogen also have some electron. So it will come onto this one, and this one will come to react on that one. So what it will form? CH3 and CH3. So from the alkene, you have got your alkane, and this is a method of preparation of alkanes you are doing. Okay now, so one you have understood. Now I can tell you about this. These all are the metals. So what will happen when the catalyst, when this metal actually metals adsorb this nickel catalyst. Nickel is a metal. This adsorb dihydrogen gas on their surface. If I am talking about, this is a nickel metal, and this nickel metal actually adsorb dihydrogen gas on their surface, and it actually after adsorbing, it will actually activate hydrogen bond. Okay now, and then after hydrogen bond will react with CH2 and double bond CH2, then it will form CH3, single bond CH3. Okay, like this, alkyne can also give you the alkane. Alkyne can also dissociate to alkane by the same process. So if you have CH triple bond CH, and here you have taken H2 in the presence of same catalyst Ni, Pt, Pd. Okay now, out of these one you can take. So what it will form? First time one bond will break down, so it will form CH2 double bond CH2, and your ultimate aim is to form alkane. So here I have taken Ni, again Pt, Pd. Okay now, so again it will give CH3, single bond CH3. Now if you will ask to me that what will happen if I will take a limited amount of this hydrogen, it will form double bond or it will form triple bond. Means alkyne will give you alkane only. This is the ultimate aim. Alkyne will give the alkane. Not the reaction will not stop here. The reaction will not stop here. Ultimately, it has to give the alkane. So that's why it will give, the alkyne will give this alkane. Okay now, one more reaction I will tell you. CH3 CH double bond CH2. One of the unsymmetrical alkane I have taken. What is unsymmetrical? What is symmetrical? You can see if either side of the double bond or triple bond, if equal number of carbon would be there, then that can called as a symmetrical. But if either side of the double bond, if unequal, this side 2 carbon is there, this side only 1 carbon, this one is unsymmetrical. If you are finding this kind of the arrangement is there, then that one is unsymmetrical alkene. So if you are taking this one, and reacting with hydrogen, this one will also form alkane, because double bond makes it alkenes. So what it will form? It will again Pt, nickel, palladium. It will form the alkane. The hydrogen will add onto this one. CH3, CH2, single bond, CH3. So you have seen this one, that everywhere we have formed the alkane by the various processes. Okay, now this one can be called as a name reaction also. Okay, Sanders Sabatier's name reaction. This one is also this can also be called as. So whenever the hydrogenation would be there, that will give you the alkanes. Thank you.